What's the meaning of Brussels sprout? Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout.
Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout is a type of small leafy vegetable closely related to cabbage, originating from Belgium. It resembles a miniature cabbage and is typically around 2.5 centimeters in diameter. Brussels sprouts are known for their distinctive taste and texture, and are often boiled, steamed, roasted or fried. They are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals like vitamin C and K. Brussels sprouts are also rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Due to their nutritional benefits and unique flavor, Brussels sprouts have become a popular ingredient in many dishes around the world.